Hello stock traders, I hope all of you are having a fantastic morning. You should be getting this video on Wednesday morning, and in today's video I'm going to give you two stocks with strong catalysts behind them. And even during these hard times, these two stocks should do very well. But before I get going, if you could do me a favor, please hit that most amazing and wonderful like button. Also, if you haven't done so before, please subscribe and turn on those bell notifications so you get notified when a new video comes out. I do have a Patreon group. If you want my buy and sell alerts, that is the place to do it. At least that basic level. But the standard and premium room and long-term rooms, there's lots of different choices and different levels that should work for you. All right, well, let's get right into it. Let's start talking about the market. Now, this has been the craziest market at the beginning of 2022. It has really been nuts, and I have some different levels here kind of pulled up. This is, of course, a very important level. This did not hold the day, so it'll be interesting to see how we do and if we bounce here above 435, although it's pretty close, and so it was nice to see that. But this is now a resistance level, and we could be heading down lower prior to the meeting. Now, who knows what's going to happen in the Fed meeting and what comes about from all of it. Hopefully Powell has a gift for all of us. And I do think that the market is way oversold. Well, the reason why I say that is because on the daily chart with the RSI, we are looking at oversold levels right here. And so you can really see that. And the market tends to bounce when this happens. And so I'm looking for a bounce. I have a couple of stocks with some great strategies. I'm going to talk about two that I really think will do very well. Okay, so let's get going. The first is Kodiak Sciences, ticker symbol KOD. This is part of my insider swing play. This has had very strong insider activity, and that is the reason why I like it. I have not taken a position yet. I'm expecting a dip in the morning, and so my plan is to try to pick up shares in pre-market and try to get them on sale. Try to find someone panicking out there. So if you own some shares of Kodiak Sciences, if you could share some, if you could sell some to me at a very cheap price, I'd really appreciate that. But Felix Baker, director, bought $17 million in open market. And so I'm expecting a good price. I'm going to try to really get up some of these, but that type of conviction, $17 million by a director, is really high. And this stock is also very oversold. So you can see the value definitely in the director picking up shares here. And so I like this one for a burst upwards to get past this level of resistance. That first level of resistance is $65.60. Looking to get past that and then to use this as support. And a gigantic jump all the way up here to $90. And so I like this one for a big move, especially with that insider activity. It's a very positive catalyst that can really help it on Wednesday morning. And so hopefully all of us can get in at a good amount and that this one will run and that we also get some good news in the afternoon. Hopefully that will happen too. All right, let's go to the next stock that I really like. And this is just had approved buybacks. And I'm going to explain what buybacks are. The board has approved $100 million share repurchases. 100 million shares repurchase of their stock. And so that is 4.77 billion. That is a lot of stock, and that's to happen over the next 2 years. And so I like this one to bounce on that news. This is a phenomenal value, and that creates a lot of value for current shareholders. So based on that announcement, looking to get up here beyond the $52 range right here, and then we have another level of resistance at 58 and a final level of resistance, and there's even more resistance here at 66.50. And so looking for this to get above here, use this as now it breaks resistance, now it uses it as support, and we get that next move up to that next level. Expecting this one to really do well. Buybacks are powerful catalyst, and they can really make a stock shoot up, especially one that is oversold like this. And so I'm expecting a nice move on this, and so this will be really interesting to see how this plays out on Wednesday morning to see if we do indeed get a bounce. I'm going to try to enter this thing as cheap as possible. You should be able to get some shares in the morning. We'll just see how this works. But the buyback strategy has done very, very well for me in the past. So I expect it to do well in the future. It's a very powerful catalyst. It's as good as the insider swing play. It's just a little bit different in how it works. So really liking this one for a big move. I wish you all the best in the stock market. Hopefully you like these videos. Show me you like them by hitting that thumbs up and sharing this video with your friends. Get the word out there of this channel. Anyway, I appreciate all of you for watching, and Raythoven out.